In this video, I'm going to show you a simple method to bypass the forced Microsoft account sign-in during Windows 11 setup. If you prefer using a local account instead of signing in with Microsoft, this quick trick will help you continue the installation without being stuck on that screen. When you reach the Microsoft account sign-in page during the setup process, press Shift plus F10 on your keyboard. On some laptops, you may need to press Shift plus Fn key plus F10 instead. This will open the command prompt window. Once the command prompt appears, type ncpa.cpl and press Enter. This will open the network connections window. Here, you need to temporarily disable your internet connection. Right-click on your active connection, whether it's Ethernet or Wi-Fi, and select Disable. After installation, we need to turn it on again. Otherwise, your internet will not work. So make sure to watch full video. After disabling the internet connection, go back to the command prompt window. Now type the following command: OOBE / bypass NRO. Then press Enter. Your computer will automatically restart. Don't worry, this is completely normal. When the system boots back up and you return to the setup screen, you'll notice something different. This time, Windows will no longer force you to sign in with a Microsoft account. Instead, you'll see an option that allows you to continue with limited setup. Click on that option, and you'll be able to create a local account and complete the setup process normally. Once Windows finishes installing and you're on the desktop, you'll need to re-enable your internet connection. To do that, open the Start menu, search for ncpa.cpl, and press Enter. When the Network Connections window opens, right-click your disabled adapter and select Enable. Your internet connection will now be restored, and you're all set. If this helped you out, feel free to like the video and subscribe for more simple Windows tips.